Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today was extremely tricky, okay, in Bank Nifty. I think it was a very difficult day, but I mean, not that it should have resulted in a big loss, okay. I'll cover what we did also. And I'll basically, now the most important thing is, since today was a very hard day, let's try to see what can happen in the next 2 days, okay. I think, okay, personally, I think the next 2 days should be relatively very easy because today was a hard day. Usually that's what happens in the market. So whenever you are encountered with a very difficult day, you'll see the next day or the uske agle 2 din baad, it's going to be very easy. So like I'm actually hoping so strangles get rewarded. Okay, I'll tell you why and I'll tell you both the things. Cool. So first thing, last week, okay, the weekly candle. See, this is a very big candle. Big candle का मतलब क्या होता है basically weekly chart पे? It means inside candle बनने का probability is very high, okay? And if the market has to be directional, the weekly candle high or low should be crossed, okay? But it did not cross in this week yet. क्योंकि एक ही दिन हुआ है अभी 4 दिन बाकी है तो तभी देख लेंगे हम फिर. ठीक है, so on the weekly chart I see an inside candle forming as of now. Okay, this tells me that there is actually no strong direction yet in the market. Okay, now coming to the daily chart, let me mark my support and resistance. सबसे पहले तो this resistance I can see, वहां से market took resistance today on the daily chart and I can see this support. Okay, so this tells me that the market is basically trapped inside this range. ये जो range है, the market is trapped inside this range. I expect, okay, for the next 2 days मेरे हिसाब से market 50,500 का put should go to zero and 52,300 ka call should go to zero as per me. Okay, I think if this happens, there's a very high chance it happens. I think triangle should be rewarded, okay, upward. So let's see, I mean, if my view goes right or not. Actually, I'm hoping my view goes right because I have sold triangles myself. So basically, yeah, the logic I told you, on the downside, this is support. On the upside, this is a resistance. So you have 1, 2, 3. This is a breakdown of the support and now the retest, okay. So now basically what happens, the resistance has been retested, okay. This automatically tells me whenever the market will break 52,300 the next time, I expect a directional move after that, okay. Simple support resistance logic, nothing complex here. And I'll tell you today what should have been the easy part. I have made a video on this also. I made on bearish engulfings and I think so Nikita made on bullish engulfings if I'm not wrong. So this is the bullish engulfing, okay. It's a pretty strong candle near a support. What should you do? You have to take a long position. So what did we do? We sold put options. So I went and sold in Nifty because Nifty was seeing pretty strong. All-time high ka closing it had. It was closing at the highest ever point. So for me, it's an easy trade to sell puts in Nifty and there I made profit. Then what I did, I came in Bank Nifty and I started because you know Wednesday expiry is there. Dheere dheere I was selling put options in Bank Nifty. Suddenly that market fell, okay then. So then I came to know that resistance has been tested. So that call also has to go to zero. I sold a call option as well. I did not cut my puts at all. Okay, so abhi bhi I'm holding my puts and loss. Sometimes what happens, like I mean if I'm wrong, potentially it can be a pretty big loss also. But many times मैंने देखा है वो spike जो होता है ना, it's like a useless spike. Useless in the sense, मान लो it has fallen down let's say 400 points for example. But your premium cannot like go like 10-20x, okay, for that. So I think that's pretty, so I'm not really sure मतलब these spikes make sense or not. So I didn't get out of my puts. So now I'm holding my puts. I sold the calls and my view is a triangle now. Cool, on the daily chart I showed you why. Now let's look at 15 minutes. See, all the difficulty has been happening here only in Bank Nifty. Nifty was amazing, matlab. I'm actually regretting why I touched Bank Nifty today, even when we had a setup in Nifty. Okay, so basically, you see, I've marked the resistance here. 1, 2, 3, 4 resistance broke. It retouched here. Okay. So now what I expect market has come down here. Even if it comes up here, I expect some slight bounce downwards and then I think an up move should come. Okay, this basically tells me that market will do some time pass here before breaking this level, this resistance zone. Okay, so my prediction is this call should go to zero. And puts, though we know that it was a strong support earlier also. See this level pe, this is a strong daily chart pe wala candle. Okay, so this candle, which is Friday 26th July candle, it's a pretty strong candle. Both of them I think should go to zero eventually. The only question is, can I hold my trade inside this or no? Especially if it was very quickly towards the resistance or very quickly towards the support. Then pretty much even I'll be scared. I'll also have to book some losses and go behind. But until this range is intact, I think I'll be in strangles only. I won't get out of the strangle, I think so. So let's see if this works or not. Okay, I'm hoping this works. Now let's come to Nifty. In Nifty, I'm not even going to bother covering, okay, because even the BankX, one friend of mine, he took some BankX trades and the spike is exceptional. Some 1 rupee option also has gone to 100, so there's no point, I mean. Okay, so coming back to Nifty, this is what I did, okay. So this is a very strong candle, right, weekly mein. So Can puts be sold here? I think they can be sold here. Easy trade, very easy trade in fact. तो अभी कुछ लग रहा है इसमें, कुछ नहीं लग रहा मुझे निफ्टी में. मुझे लग रहा है कि हाँ ऊपर ही रहे वो. अभी भी it's like still above last week's high only. It's not even below that. So nothing bearish in Nifty as of now. See, if Nifty comes down, no, I expect this 24,400 put to go to zero. So if this spike comes here, I think we can sell that put option in Nifty. Other than that, I think every high when it breaks, you can go long. Let's say, okay, then it does some time pass, again it breaks high, again you can go long. And you can keep doing that in Nifty because Nifty is very bullish. And the 15 minutes time frame, see, this was a resistance, this is support down, market closed near the top, okay, almost breakout diya hota. If one more hour market would have traded, it would have broken out. Okay, and then it's just doing time pass here. Time pass matlab, it's very good, no problem in Nifty, okay. I should have done this, okay, I'm going to write this down in my journal that I should have hold on to like my Nifty puts, because I mean that a setup was there, okay, to trade, and Bank Nifty we had no setup. Cool. So this is a doji. I think usually what happens, like market can go sideways for another day as per me. Okay, let's see if it works or not. And if, as always, whenever you get a small range candle, if it breaks on the upside near the all-time high, this means again you have to go long. You don't have any option. So again you can roll up your puts or whatever. Okay, so that's what you're going to do in Nifty. And Nifty may, I'm telling you, basically 24,500 is also support. Okay, so if Nifty comes down, let's say it's coming down, whenever you get a higher high, okay, you can sell this put option 24,400 wala. If it comes down, I'm saying, and if you get a higher high, then this kind of conditional, like when you put these conditions on a trade, the probability of the trade succeeding goes up quite a bit. Okay, if you keep reacting to the random market, you won't have a lot of profit at the end of the year. Cool. So that's it, I think, for my video. Bank Nifty, I expect strangles. Nifty seems like bullish yet. There's no problem in Nifty as of now. And we'll see, and we'll tackle the market on a day-to-day basis. So like I'll be making the videos until Nikita's mic comes back. So you might have to wait a couple of days for Nikita to resume the analysis. Cool. So that was it for my video. I'll see you guys pretty soon. Bye-bye.